How's it going, everybody? We're back again at Mezcal Buzz with another mezcal tasting. I'm Marco Gutierrez, your personal Mezcal Sommelier. And today I have for you another mezcal from Honor y Amor, and we have here Mezcal Pelón Verde. Julian is a good friend of mine who produces this mezcal in Santa María, Ecatepec, Oaxaca. This is in the Chontal region, which is in the southern part of Oaxaca. Great mezcal that they're producing there. Pelón Verde is a maguey that is endemic to the Chontal region in Oaxaca, and it is actually from the family of Angustifolia. So it is related to an espadín. It resembles an espadín, but it's called Pelón Verde because it doesn't have the spines on the pencas. You'll find different color variations as well. A little bit more white, a little bit of a blue maguey, and a green maguey, but it's called Pelón Verde. I'm excited to taste this. It's a mezcal artisanal. They cook their magueys in conical earthen pits. They crushed it with tahona and they ferment it in pine tubs. And these are distilled twice in copper. We have 48% ABV here. And Marco, you're talking too much. Why don't we get to tasting this beautiful mezcal? We have a nice, clear, silvery mezcal. It's very fresh, citrusy, similar to what an angustifolia would be. I do notice more spice to it, like cooking spices, almost some anise. I get anise or like cinnamon kind of cooking spices. I also get some fruitful notes here, almost like strawberry or slightly drying on the nose, but it's a very pleasant aroma that I just keep revisiting. It's a little short to medium, but very pleasant. Yes, I would say fruitful, has some citrusy and cooking spices. Okay. Let's go with the mouthfeel. I said mouthfeel, but I just keep like hitting that nose feel because it's so good. Do you guys do that? Do you ever find yourself just stuck sniffing, smelling, hitting those aromas? That's what this one's doing to me right now. So let's get that mouthfeel. Good. Good, nice and fresh, sweetness there. I get a prickly sensation. It's coating. It's a light coat, light to medium body. Very good. I get some sweetness, a little bit of acidity right up front on my tongue here. Sweetness, acidity, definitely citrusy. Right now is where you insert that meme with all the like formulas and stuff, and you're like thinking, my brain receptors are just making all these connections right now. Like, what are you trying to figure out here, dude? I get pepper, I get a peppery flavor. That acidity's there, very light. I don't want to scare you, but I get almost like a little pickle flavor, but very, very subtle, very light, or like an olive brine, but it's not taking anything away from that sweetness, from those citrus notes that I'm getting. It's very sweet, pleasant mezcal here. I'm revisiting those aromas. Florals are starting to come up. Those florals are starting to bloom. Yeah, it's not rough. I don't want to call it smooth, but it's very pleasant. It has a kick to it. It has a piquant little prickliness to it, like I go back to the pepper sensation I said earlier. All right, I love it. I'm gonna give this a solid 4-star here at Mezcal Buzz. If this is your first time visiting the channel, make sure to subscribe. We do a lot of tastings like this, some informational videos, and other videos that are prompted by your questions and comments. I look forward to the next one, and as always, I'll see you next time.